Alright, just want to do a quick little morning video on this steam tent. I want to show you a few little tricks I did to make it more user-friendly and comfortable. See the cat up there? Alright, first thing is I got tent lights, which has a remote controller right here. You can just push this button right here, and both lights come on right up there. And this fan is a tent fan, USB and solar charging too. USB charging, that is. It's a 4-speed. This just blows the air and steam around on the inside. And oh, what else in here? Oh yeah, one thing I did, since this thing doesn't have pull tab zippers on the inside, is I got my old steak knife that's busted on the tip here. This is a serrated stainless steel knife, so I can cut my way out of this damn thing if I get trapped in here. As I said before, these tents don't have zippers that have the pull tab on the inside. See right here? I mean, I can get it to work, but yeah. Other thing, little thermometer deal here. This thing gets up to about, it doesn't get above 119, average about 112, which is plenty hot. Hell, 105 is plenty hot. You will get sweaty in here. A little puck down here where the steam comes out. I put a little magnet on the bottom here. Just set it there, so steam comes out right there. Drain hole down there. And one thing I recently added was these back rollers, foam back rollers. So when you're sitting here on the chair, kick your feet up. There and there. And you know, for us really lazy guys, I guess. Oh yeah, taped off all that right there. Seems to be holding pretty good. This little added insulation, I guess. Then back here, I got a switch right here for the steamer. It's just an on and off switch, high power. These heavy gauge wire for the steamer because it sucks down a lot of power. And this is the 4-liter, steam generator. And I set, let me just turn it on, I'll show you. So you turn it on here. This thing kicks on, waiting to turn on. You turn it on here, and I've got it on the highest heat setting, 9. And I increase the timer to 90 minutes. And get plenty of steam. I just fill it right up to the 4L mark, 4-liter mark. And it just starts producing steam. Now make sure you get this lid good and tight on there. Just there, like that. And you're good to go. You shut it off right here. Turn it off here. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. The last thing is just put some moving blankets up top there. Hold the steam in or heat in a little bit better. It works good. Get a little workout right down here with the dumbbells. And you're good to go. Fan to blow you. Keep water in here. So, there you have it. You know, a couple $100, you're good to go. You know, dry saunas are cool too. They just take longer. That's why I like wet saunas. You know, to each their own. It's a lot cheaper too. And I can take it down. Alright, I hope that helps with your decision. I kind of swear by them. Stay healthy.